So Barb, we have some new yarn that just came in. What is it?
Shetlandia.
Shetlandia, more Shetlandia?
More
we already
Shetlandia.
have some
But
of
this
that.
is new, Ann.
New?
Yeah.
What's new about it?
You'll be surprised. Open it
Oh,
up and
I gotta be
see.
surprised too. All right, let's go for it. All right. I actually know what's in it, but all right. But I haven't seen it yet, so I'm as excited as Christmas to see it. All right.
And wouldn't you know it, I got a plane.
Oh, so did I. Okay, so this is Shetlandia, and we have 6 shades of it now. I've got the M-Sketch color. This is beautiful. And it's not just Shetlandia, but Shetlandia sport weight. So we've got this heavier weight for knitting sweaters. It's beautiful.
Yeah, I have the more.
Oh, nice. Barb has already knit with a sample skein of this, and I'm a little jealous because I haven't had a chance to knit with it yet. But I've got something on the needles now that might work. So
Yeah, it
we'll
knits
see.
up really nice.
It is super soft.
But
This
I
is
like that.
this is Shetland wool from Great Britain. It's so it's genuine Shetland, and oh my god, it smells really good. If you've knit with our Shetlandia fingering and wished it was a slightly heavier weight for a special pattern that you've got your eye on, this would be perfect. Let's open the other ones and see what else is. So we've got treasures in here, you guys. I know one of these boxes is going to be the white because that's our third color of Shetlandia. That I've got that here.
So I'll have.
Barbara's going to have
Maybe.
one of the new ones. I gotta rip. We're gonna get there at the same time.
Yeah,
you
look,
do.
you're ripping them open.
I know. We don't want to cut any yarn here. Oh, okay. Wait, this is still the same as that, I think.
No, it's not.
No.
No, it's not. Is it? Yeah, it is.
Oh, these are the same. Okay, I guess we just have 2 boxes of each of the plain colors here. Each of the old colors. So the new colors are coming very soon. And when they do, we'll be sure to get back on here and show them to
Let's
you.
see. Yeah, because we didn't have the sport weight before, so this
Yeah.
is all the sport.
So this is all of our new sport yarn. Yummy, yum, yum. And you can knit, oh, the white is so creamy. The white is so creamy and soft.
It is. That's nice.
This would make a beautiful Aran, not Aran weight, but because it's not Aran weight, but an Aran style fisherman sweater. It would be so pretty. This yarn is a little bit fuzzy when you knit it up, but it does make beautiful textures. The stitch definition is just excellent, and it works really well in cabled fabrics and twist stitches, which Barb has already tested it.
Yeah, I've tested it.
And lace, heavier lace things. So anyway, that's our Shetlandia Sport. We'll be back with the new colors really soon.